to take a wrench that I found at the Goodwill. It's an old wrench. The brand of the wrench is actually kind of funny. It's a King Dick brand wrench. So I figured I'd take this and do a quick little project, make a bottle opener out of it. What I'm hoping to achieve is to keep the wrench pretty much intact without any dings, or I want the wrench to stay as nice as possible. We're gonna go ahead and make a bottle opener out of this. Not really enough material on the ring to open that up where I need it to be, so I'm gonna punch a slit and kind of split that a little bit, give me a little bit more material, and hopefully I'll be able to open this up and make a pretty neat bottle opener. So let's see what we can do. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this slot punch. I'm gonna find me a good center and make a mark. Problems, so I'm going to go ahead and knock those off with the chisel. forward. It's gonna take a couple of heats. Right back in that same spot. Try not to double print it. Alright, so the forge is hot enough. I can shut that off. Get one more on this. I want to drag that out as far as I can. Yeah, I think that's about good. Alright. So now I'm just going to heat it up and straighten everything out. I don't have a bottle to test it, so I'm just kind of going by muscle memory on all the other ones I made. That's kind of where it's at so far. So I'm going to go ahead and take another heat, get everything cleaned up, straightened out, and get my mark in it too. Alright, so I'm going to put my mark all the way out here on the other end. Right here in this little, I don't know what they did, but I don't know why it's shaped like that. That's just the way they shaped it. Alright, so we got everything in. Take and do a quick look. It's really not that crooked, so I really don't want to beat on it down here. I want to keep all that nice and smooth, just like from the factory. I think maybe I'll make it a little bit wider. Yeah, just a hair. Just kind of tap it in on itself. Just a skosh. I think that'd be plenty wide for just about any bottle. Really fine tippity taps. And yeah, I'll call it there. Looks pretty good, pretty straight. Yep, I'll get this thing cleaned up on the wire wheel and we'll show you how it turned out. Alright, so here it is, one King Dick bottle opener. And to give the name of the company a little bit of reference, it's made in England, so I don't recall any King Dick in the monarchy at any given time, but I don't know, it may have a little bit of explanation as to the name of the brand. But yeah, these old tools and stuff, they can make fun projects. You find these things, I found this one at Goodwill, but you can find them just about anywhere. Yard sales, flea markets, swap meets, all that good stuff. But before you mutilate it and turn it into something else, you might want to see if it's worth some money, because some of these old tools do bring money. I did find these on the internet, and they were selling for about $5. I got a set of 3. I also got some kind of old ratcheting wrench I'm going to turn into a bottle opener. Then I got some sort of double open-ended S wrench. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but the whole pack was $3. So this is going to wind up on my Etsy store. I think make a pretty neat gift. The name kind of says it all. You give that to somebody, they're gonna probably get a laugh out of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this off. This was just a quick little video that I wanted to do. Taking an old tool, turning it into something funny, something fun, nice little gift idea. So again, remember to check me out at Metal Man Productions. Check out my Etsy store, see what I got up there. If nothing else, just to look and say hi, that's fine. And yeah, also check me out on Instagram. So I might get some pictures of this and post them on Instagram. So I'm not sure if the name of the wrench is even showing up, but I'm gonna knock this video off, say goodbye, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.